Welcome back to the channel. Awkward high five. How in the world are you today?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
I'm fantastic. We're driving in the Miata, top down, my best bud, and guess what? I got a little box for you.
Yeah, it's an AUXITO LED light bulb kit for the Mazda Miata.
All right, so we are partnered with AUXITO.
Yes.
And I am here to tell you, after reviewing their products and soon to install them ourselves, hint, hint, I already know what it's like. You guys need to check these out. And because we are all that is turn 5, tell them what we got, what they can do.
You can save 15% if you use our code TURN5 on their store.
We're like a real deal. Turn 5, right at the bottom of the screen. Turn 5.
There's a link in our description to their website, and we also included what our code is there, so you don't even have to remember what we said.
So what we're gonna do today, well not today, but through the magic of YouTube, we're gonna drive it at night with the old light bulbs in. We're gonna drive it with the new light bulbs in, and you guys can see for yourselves
the night and day difference.
I see what you did there, Tyler. I see what you did. What do you say we go back to the garage, not the normal garage, the secondary garage.
The secondary garage.
The supplemental garage, the backup garage, the B-plan garage, and install these things and show them A, how easy it is, and B, how good at mechanicking we are.
Quick update, or I don't know, disclosure. We're not very good at mechanicking.
I must say, AUXITO makes, you have to go check them out. It is amazing. Make sure you use, this is fun to do. Make sure you use that code right down there to get yourselves a nice discount. Thank you guys for all your support. Now let's see how these things go in.
Did you already forget what the code name was?
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there.
It's turn 5, but okay.
Okay, so the Miata is a great car to change headlights on because they are right here.
Okay, so that looks really simple.
That, I didn't pull out the headlight because, I mean, this is live filming, it's the next one over. But if you want to turn on the turn signal, that's what it is. So as I was saying, it is the headlight after further review.
So what you're telling me is I was right in my statement of we're not very good mechanics.
I mean, don't tell them that. So they just pop out, right? That's easy. Now we're going from halogen to LED. You think it'd be super difficult? It's not. Let's look at what we got in the box. It's unboxing time.
Why are we at the back of the car? The headlights go up there.
I'm just highlighting the fact that AUXITO also has taillights.
They do?
Yeah. All right, so they come with these amazing gloves. You got a couple washers. You got these zip ties because these cables are a little bit longer. So I'm gonna put on my doctor's gloves right now. How nice
Don't you
is
think
that?
you're overdoing it a little bit?
No, not at all. All right, we're gonna take our light number 1. Look at how beautiful that is.
It looks pretty cool.
And there's your transistor radio. That's how you reverse the polarity. So the new headlight, because the camera's terrible, I didn't do that part. You just twist it in there like normal, clip it in the right way. Boom. Now watch this.
Oh, well, it's not very hard to see the difference when one of the headlights isn't working. Okay, so that one is dim. Wow, that is bright.
Let me take these white gloves off and show them what it's like at night. First, we'll do old lights, next, new lights.
I think now would be a great time to remind you all, we're trying to give this car away. We need 10,000 subscribers.
Hi, Ty.
can't I do like a little plug without you interrupting?
Fine. May of next year.
Oh, that's right. May of next year, we're gonna give this car away to one of you if we make it to 10,000 subscribers.
Well, Ty, as promised, here is the old headlights. Nothing so bright about that.
Well, on camera, they look pretty bright, to be honest.
Well, remember that look. Let's go drive around the old block. And I'll show you how they are. They're not terrible.
They're just like halogen lights.
Yeah. You are gonna love these new ones. I just know it. Okay, so we are gonna go this way apparently. Alright, so we're gonna let that car ahead of us go. It is still a little bit light out just so that we can see in general.
Filming also is better when there's a little bit of ambient light.
Yeah. Alright, so you got like, what can you see? I can see to the next mailbox.
I'd say that's probably a solid 100 feet of like clear visibility.
Yeah, now let's go show them what it's like with the new lights, and you are gonna be not just blown away, you should probably go take this time to get your sunglasses.
Okay, that seems even better on camera than it did before.
Let's go see what it's like driving on the road, shall we? I wish I had a nice song lyric I could sing to you right now, like...
I don't know of any that involve light.
And I can't think of anything off the top of my head. But what I can say
is this is brighter?
Unequivocally.
What does that mean?
Scientifically.
Oh, is that what it means?
Sure.
Okay.
It's way brighter.
Yeah, way brighter.
I don't know if you have a lot more distance.
I'd say so.
But it's like daylight in front of the car.
I would say there's a lot more distance, actually.
This is actually a huge, huge improvement.
Make sure you go and use the link in our description and use our code to buy headlights.
All right, let's wrap this thing up, boy. You may or may not need the washers that are provided for you, but it's a fantastic touch. Make sure you zip tie that extra wire to something sturdy so that you don't get wires just all over the place. Like we said, super easy. I hope that you guys go to their site,
which we have a link to in our description.
Oh, and the discount code is right there.
Yeah,
it's right there. It's right there. Nope, it moved over here. No, it's still right there.
You want to stop before our editor just hurts you?
I mean, hey, I'll take a high five in the face any day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please go ahead and visit AUXITO's website. Use our discount code. Get some money off for some fantastic LED lights. Save the environment. Light pollution.
Make sure to click like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much.